Hey y'all, I'm Kori Ashton and this is number 19 in a series of 30 tips that we're doing to learn about how to optimize your WordPress website for search engine rank, right? SEO. All organic style, meaning you don't have to pour money into paid ads if you're doing these 30 things on your WordPress website over time, right? Because this is an organic approach, you should start to see that improvement of rank. Today is number 19, and this is really about conversion. Ultimately, on your WordPress website, do your forms work properly? And by properly, I don't just mean a submit button working. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Number 19, do all of your forms work properly? One of the most frustrating things that can happen to you is for you to have a form on your website and you think just because it looks correct, that it functions correctly, right? Just because you have a contact form, it should be as simple as somebody clicking submit. There's no broken code showing here, so certainly this works properly. That's not always the case. And I tell my customers, my clients, my students to be certain to go into every single one of their forms at least weekly and send a test. Be certain that it's working properly, no matter where that form is listed on your website, your subscribe form, your contact form. Certainly if it's a form to purchase something, especially if you've seen a slowdown in sales. There's a very good potential that the reason why you're not having sales is because your form's not working, or you're not having registrations because there's a break in your form. So I cannot stress to you enough to go into your forms and fill out information, right? And run a quick test. Things work. And click submit. Be certain that this functions correctly, right? Which it does. And also be certain to check your email to know for a fact that you received the notification and the confirmation that all was sent properly. Okay, y'all, this was a short video, but I really hope that you take time right now, press pause, do whatever you need to do in this series to go over to your WordPress website and spend some time on every single one of your forms, making certain that you have great notifications working properly, getting sent out properly, and great confirmation messages as well. Be sure to click like and subscribe because tomorrow is day 20 on these tips for your WordPress website. If you'd like to work ahead though, be sure to check out the links below and you'll find the free worksheet and the free SEO course. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Bye everyone.